In front of me is OnePlus Nord, and let me show you how to check total screen time on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select digital well-being and parental controls, and now click on show your data. And as you can see here, you've got the stats. So as you can see, today we used the device for almost 1 hour. It's 49 minutes, and if you'll click here again, you will be able to take a look at detailed statistics. So for example, if you'd like to check each app, for example contacts, as you can see, they've been in use for 4 minutes. And over here you will have the stats for every day. So that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.